इसमें भी वही सेम चीज है, बस इसमें फर्क ये है कि अभी आप जो आप रियल नंबर पर पढ़ते आ रहे थे वो आप कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पर भी कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू ऑप्ट करना सीखेंगे। सो एज वी नो दैट द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वेशन इज ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c these are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 or coordinate equation. Then previous formula as x is equal to minus b plus minus root over d divided by 2. Here d is also discriminant value. It means the value of b is equal to b square minus 4ac and d may be is greater than 0 or d is equal to 0 and d is less than 0. स्पेशल जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर पढ़ने का आपका उद्देश्य है, इस पर आप जनरली स्टडी करेंगे कि d is less than 0. इट मीन्स यदि आपका डिस्क्रिमिनेंट वैल्यू रियल नंबर ना प्राप्त होकर के कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर प्राप्त होता है, तब आप x की वैल्यू कैसे ऑप्ट करेंगे। सो इन योर एक्सरसाइज 5.3 वी पिक अप सेकंड क्वेश्चन। योर सेकंड क्वेश्चन हियर 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation from ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to 1, the coefficient of x, and c equal to 1. Then the value of d equal to b square minus 4ac. So d is equal to minus 7. It means you also say that it is equal to 7i square. That is root over d equal to root over minus 7. It means root 7i. And the value of x equal to minus b plus minus root over d divided by 2. ये फार्मूला है आपका। हमने वैल्यू इसकी पुट किया, the value of d equal to 1 and the value of d equal to root over 7i divided by 2. The value of a equal to 2, 2 to the 4. It is answer of this question. Now question number 9. See here, x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. हमने क्या किया, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में चेंज करने के लिए रूट 2 का हमने मल्टीपल कर दिया। आप चाहे तो डायरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। आफ्टर मल्टीपल बाय रूट 2 वी गेट हियर a equal to root 2 and b equal to root 2 and c equal to 1. Then the value of d, it means discriminant value, b square minus 4ac. b square it means root over 2 square minus 4. The value of b equal to root 2 and the value of c equal to 1. So root 2 square it means 2 हो गया minus 4 root 2. It also write it as in this form 4 root 2 minus 2i square. Now hence add formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over d divided by 2. The value of b is equal to root over 2 here and the value of d 4 root 2 minus 2i square. So we take an I in out of root, then we get 4 root 2 minus 2i and the value of a is root 2. Hence taking here root 2 as common, we get minus 1 plus minus, यहाँ से हमने जैसे रूट 2 लिया तो इसमें से 2 निकालना पड़ेगा, तो ये बना आपका 2 रूट 2 माइनस 1 और ये i डिवाइडेड बाय 2 रूट 2, रूट 2 कैंसिल हो गया एंड दिस इज आंसर फॉर योर क्वेश्चन माइनस 1 प्लस माइनस रूट ओवर 2 रूट 2 माइनस 1 into i divided by 2. Now see first question of miscellaneous exercise. Find the value of I root over 18, I raised to 18 plus 1 by I raised to 25 4 raised to 3. And we know that the value of I square is equal to minus 1. या तो आप I square के फॉर्म में इसको चेंज करेंगे या तो I raised to 4 के फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे। Since I square is equal to minus 1 and I raised to 4 is equal to 1. So I square 2 9 18 इसको हमने कन्वर्ट किया, ये आपका 25 है तो 4 6 या 24 into I, ये 25 हो गया, 1 का पावर 25 means 1 हो गया. The value of I raised to 4 is equal to 1. So here only I, and हमने I का न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीपल किया, and the value of I square is equal to -1 raised to 9. After this, it is equal to -1 and I divided by I square की वैल्यू आपकी माइनस हो गई 1, so it is also minus I raised to 3. यहाँ पर हमने माइनस कॉमन लिया तो -1 raised to 3 and in bracket 1 plus I 4 raised to 3 -1 a cube -1 यहाँ पर जैसे हमने कॉमन लिया, so it is equal to -1 and a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and in bracket a plus b. यहाँ पर I cube की वैल्यू हो गई आपकी -1 जो करते रहा, ये आपका बात हुआ, ये 3i हुआ plus 3i square and the value of I square is equal to -1, so -3, तो -3 हमने इसको लिया, 3i में से एक i आपका कैंसिल हुआ, so 2i plus 1. Now answer of this question, after multiply by -1 we get 2 minus 2i. Your next question, it means question number 2. And given here for any two complex numbers z1 and z2, prove that real z1 into z2 is equal to real z1 into real z2 minus imaginary z1 into imaginary z2. In proof for any two complex number, so we suppose that z1 is equal to a1 plus ib1 and z2 is equal to a2 plus ib. Then as given here multiple of both complex number, so we multiply here z1 into z2 is equal to a1 plus ib1 into a2 plus ib. After multiplication we get as I square is equal to -1, so your real part a1 into minus b1 it means बिना I वाला जो पार्ट है आपका, ये आपका रियल पार्ट हो गया और I हमने जो कॉमन लिया ये आपका इमेजिनरी पार्ट हो गया. अब क्वेश्चन आपसे रियल पार्ट का पूछ रहा है, इट मींस we need to prove here real z1 into z2 is equal to real z1 into real z2 minus imaginary z1 into imaginary z2. So the real part as here real of z1 into z2 is equal to a1 into minus b1. That is real z1 into z2 is equal to real z1 into real z2 minus imaginary z1 into imaginary z2. Hence proved. Now see your next question, question number 4. What is your question number 4? We are given that x minus I is equal to a minus ib divided by c minus id root over. We need to prove x square plus y square का whole square is equal to a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. Now since x minus iy is equal to a minus ib divided by c minus id root over, and by conjugate complex number we have x plus iy is equal to, हमने क्या किया माइनस i को प्लस i में रिप्लेस किया. नाउ वी विल मल्टीपल फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड एंड वी गेट, नाउ मल्टीपल फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वी गेट x minus iy in one bracket and x plus iy in another bracket. Similarly on RHS by multiple we get a minus ib into a plus ib divided by c minus id into c plus id root over, and hence we get a square minus I square b square divided by c square minus I square d square. यहाँ पे हमने a minus b और a plus b का मल्टीपल किया, then we get x square minus I square y square. And as we know that I square is equal to -1, we put the value I square is equal to -1 on both sides. We get x square plus y square is equal to here root over I square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. And squaring both sides we get our required solution.